Alrighty, this is video 118, union and intersection practice. You know what you should do? You should pause your video, turn it off, and do the question, and then either turn the video back on and watch me go through the solution, or you can go through the solution set in the back of the notes. Either one, but I'm pretty sure you can do this on your own. All right, I'm going to trust you did that, and you were just watching to say, yes, I got this. So set A. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those are all the elements, and I put them in order. You don't have to, but it just makes it easier. Yeah, it's as simple as that. It just makes it easier. Set B. So that was everything that's contained in the A circle. So not only these three, but don't forget the ones in the intersection. Set B. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always count. It's so easy when you're doing sets to lose elements. I was going to say, just like when I did the videos out of order, and the stats one, every time you're doing mean and median and mode, it's another place where count the entries, count your elements, make sure you don't miss one, because that's so an easy way to make a mistake. All right, so the universal set, remember that if just randomly you have this nice diagram and suddenly you get U and you're going, where is the U? There is no U here. Universal set, everything in both. So 1, 2, 3. Now, I did that, and now I'm thinking I better check. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there we go. So that is just doing your sets. Now we've got A intersection B. What do they have in common? It's still asking for a set, even though it doesn't say set out there. Generally, if you're not sure if you should use set notation in this chapter or not, use it. Probably going to be better. 7 and 9. Okay, B intersection A. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 6, 8, 10. I know. I said put them in order, which you certainly can. But there's also something you said, I did everything in set A, and then whatever was new. Either way, you're going to get that. I'm feeling guilty. That's not very good. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm so paranoid today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Count. And B, intersection A. You know what? That's not very challenging, because whether it's A intersection B or B intersection A, it's exactly the same thing. And that's what's in the middle, and that's 7 and 9. And there we go. All right, give it, oh, wow, what's wrong with my printer? That's just supposed to be a plain old U. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A is 1, 2, 5, 6. And B is 3 and 9. Draw a Venn diagram. All right. So, I'm going to do it like I normally do it. Don't, well, I'm going to do what I normally do. Okay, 95% of these questions are an intersection. So if we make this at A, I got 1, 2, 5, and 6. And set B is 3 and 9. Now, do you see what's wrong with that picture? It looks weird because there's nothing in the middle. Okay, so that's why I said 95% it's like that. But this one, not so much. Because if they don't intersect, you can't draw them as intersecting circles. You can't have blank parts. So they are indeed mutually exclusive. An easier way to do it is if you look at A and you look at B, they don't have anything in common. So you draw the circles that don't have anything in common. However, I have a universal set here. So I've used the 1, I've used the 2, I've used the 5 and the 6, and I've used the 3 and the 9. So where, oh where, do we put the 4, the 7, and 8? Yeah, they go here in the box. So we put the U for universal set, and we're golden. And then I found this. It's a little hard to see, but it's a really nice diagram. So talking about the Venn diagrams where I have an intersection, this section contains numbers which are in set A but not B. So these are characteristics or things that are only in A. This section contains those numbers which are in B but not A, only B. And this is a section that contains numbers in both sets. And then I liked it because it even said here, this section contains those numbers which are not in either set. So it tells you exactly where you should put everything. And that is the end of this video on intersection and unions.